Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wonder Innovation. I am thrilled to have you here today. This is Firdaus with you again and I am thrilled to have you back on my channel. I hope life has been treating you well. We are doing great and we have got something exciting to share with you today. The mesmerizing laser show. But before we jump into the vibrant lights, let's take a quick stroll around the global village. By the way, if you haven't caught our cyber stunt show video yet, you are missing out. Make sure to check it out after this one. Now, let's talk about our recent adventure at the fabulous global village in Dubai. After witnessing the mind-blowing cyber stunt show, I couldn't resist exploring further. As I strolled around, I stumbled upon a spot called the floating market. It was a bit too crowded for me to dive into, but there is always something amazing in the global village. And then something magical happened. As I stepped out of the floating market, all the lights suddenly went off, leaving me in suspense. I could feel the excitement building up. And that's when I was treated to an unexpected surprise. A mesmerizing laser show. It was a visual feast and I couldn't wait to share this moment with you all. I hope you will enjoy this laser show as much as I did. Incredible. The play of lights, the colors, it's truly something else. I was in awe and I knew I had to capture this to share with you. So here it is. If you loved it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more incredible adventures. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and keep that curiosity alive. Till then, bye bye.